Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about a new chapter, that is your air around us. Yes, air is present everywhere. It is a mixture of gases. Yes, air is a mixture of gases and we can't see air. Can you see air? No, we can't see air. Only we can feel the air. When it blows, then we can feel. So air, that is a mixture of the gases present all around, and the space where air is not present, that is known as vacuum. Vacuum means air is not present. And you know the air is present everywhere. There is a thin layer of air around the earth. And this thin layer of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. Yes, atmosphere. Atmosphere is a protective blanket. It is a protective layer of air which protect us from harmful radiations of the sun, which protect us from harmful particles and many more. So atmosphere means air, layer of air, and air means life. Air means life because it is one of the precious natural resource. We can't live without air. No, living beings cannot survive without air. So air is must for everyone. Now we will discuss about the properties of air. Are you ready? Okay, so first of all, the first property of air, that is, it is invisible. We are not able to see it. Only we can feel it. When the air blows, when the plants moving with the help of the air, when you switch on the fan, then you can feel the air. So, the first property of the air is that it is invisible. Next one, air occupies space. Yes, air need the space. When you just fill the balloon, just blow up the balloon, it means it increase in size, means the space is needed for the air. Air occupies weight also. So, air need the space and it occupies space as well as it has weight. Now the next one, air exerts pressure. Okay, that is a property. It is a pressure. It exerts a pressure. You can feel the air of the pressure when the air is blows at a very high speed. Air is colorless. There is a no color of the air. Odorless. There is a no smell of the air. And it is transparent. Yes, had you seen? Air is present everywhere and we are able to see. Means air is a transparent object. It is a transparent material which allow light to pass through them. And that's why we are able to see. Now the air is tasteless. There is not any taste. And it is the insulator of electricity. Yes, it does not allow electricity to pass through them and we are not able to get the shock. And what is the next property? Air takes shape and the smell of the object in which it is present. So in which object it is present, it takes that shape and that smell. So these are the properties of air. Let us do once again. So it is invisible, it occupies space, air has weight, air exerts pressure, it is colorless, odorless, transparent and tasteless. It is the insulator of an electricity and air takes the shape and smell of the object in which it is present. Now we will discuss about uses of air. Yes, air, uses of air which is present everywhere and it is a mixture of gases. So first of all, air is must for breathing. Yes, it is must for breathing. We inhale the oxygen rich air and we inhale carbon dioxide rich air. Without breathing, not any living organisms can survive. So air is must for the process of respiration, or we can say it is must for the process of breathing. Breathing means inhale of oxygen rich air and exhale of carbon dioxide rich air. It is done by the all living beings. Now the next uses of air, it is used to inflate the tires in vehicles. Yes, in different vehicles, car, bike, scooters, truck, the tires are filled with the air. Next one, the air nitrogen, which is one of the main component of air, it is used as a fertilizer and it is must for the growth of plants. Yes, it is one of the main component of a plant which is used by the plants for the synthesis of protein products. Now, air is also must for the process of winnowing. Yes, what is the winnowing? When the lighter particles are separated from the heavier particles with the help of air. Yes, with the help of air, we can easily separate the husk particles from the grain or lighter particles from the grain. Now next one, we can't hear if there is no air. We can't smell anything if there is no air, because air helps in traveling of sound and smell. Sound and smell move from one place to another only and only in the medium air. Now air also helps in the movements of gliders, aeroplanes, parachutes, okay, and the birds, insects, they fly only and only with the help of the air. If there is no air, no movement is possible. Air plays an important role in oxygen cycle. Yes, there is an oxygen cycle. So air is must. It plays an important role oxygen cycle as well as in water cycle. It is an important one to just do the oxygen and water cycle. Air regulates the temperature. It regulates the temperature of the earth. So to regulate earth temperature, air is must. And in the windmill, air is also used to generate electricity. Yes, it is used to generate electricity with the help of the windmills. In the windmills, the power of the wind is used to produce electricity. So here are some uses of air. Let us revise. First of all, your air is used for the process of breathing. It is also used to inflate the tires of the vehicles. Air is the nitrogen which is present in the air. It is used as a fertilizer for the proper growth of the plants. For the process of winnowing, air is must. For traveling of the sound and smell, air is must. Air helps in the movement of the gliders, parachute, aeroplanes, your boats, and it is must for that. Birds, insects, they can't fly without air. It is must for the flying. Air plays an important role in oxygen cycle as well as in water cycle. It's regulate temperature and it is must to generate electricity, or we can say with the help of the air we can generate electricity.